I'm just gonna quickly do a video on oil. I forgot to mention it in the market review video. I did do a few charts for it, but just forgot to do it in the video. So I'm looking for oil longs, right? This pattern here looks similar to the Euro GBP breakdown video I did. Okay, so I'm looking for oil to come into here, right? Pause the chart and it's coming to here. Okay, we had clean stops resting here. Okay, stops resting here. Now, I believe personally, on the higher macro scale, we're carving out a bottom in oil here. And the higher time frame wise, I think we're gonna go to here. That's a higher time frame. But I've got a few shorter term targets in mind that I'd like to go, and obviously my validation level. So I personally believe that a break of this low here invalidates the long idea. Okay. If you go to the H1 chart, yeah, I'm not going to go into too much detail with this because it's going to confuse people. There are other things that I've looked at here that support my idea for a long. For example, if you look at this here, see this breaker here, this led to the move up. So this candle here, right, this led to the move up. You check out these stops, breakdown. It was then used like as a pivot sort of, and now we find support off of it. The moment we find support of it and railed away, then that is useful to me now. Okay, but first all this has to happen before I even think of this, because this can be anywhere. I don't at this point when price comes into it here, I don't know if it's gonna hold or not. But it's the rally away and proof that the buyers have stepped in. Now I know, okay, and any block that's formed there, now I'm going to take that seriously. And it's similar to Euro GBP as well. So we have stops resting here. I think this is the last sweep of stops. If I'm correct, this is only if I'm correct in the long buyers. I think this is the last sweep of stops before they really rally the market, and I believe they will do that. If I'm wrong, then if my wrong eye bias below here, I'm wrong, and that's it. So if I was safe, but now that price is unfolded, I'd like to see this as low of the day hold. Now, bigger picture, I mean, this should be safe. Okay, if you're more macro and that this should be safe. It stops here. But shorter intraday, I don't see a reason why they should take out this low now. Now that especially we are above these lows here now, right? We're above these lows now. They shouldn't really take it back above there, should they? Well, the way I trade. So I mean, if I was to go long, I could go long there with a stop there, but I don't really want to have that kind of a tight, wide stop. But I suppose retest into here, probably qualify for a decent long here. I mean, it's a wider stop, but it is what it is. Is the risk to reward good enough? I mean, I think if I'm correct, I think we're going to take out these sides here at least. So for example, if I was to go long, it's not a bad too bad risk to reward, but just so it's clear, this is not investment advice. This is just educational purposes only. Need to have these disclaimers up. These two few fuckers trying to jump on any bandwagon again. Okay. If you were to play out market, right, then so the greatest. Well, it's something, isn't it? It's something. Well, however you want to look at 2 and 1/3, whatever. But the targets I have in mind are, I mean, way higher than this, but you play it as you want. So I think we're gonna take out this high here. I've already got target marked out on here. So on this chart, if we go to this chart, these are the targets I've got marked out. 4840s. Reason why we've got these double top here. Then 5025, which is this high here. Then there's about 52 level there. So upside, but first I'm happy to take out here, then we'll see what happens after that. Yeah, that's what I believe is happening on the oil, so I hope that helps. And like I said, my validation level would be below this. That's when I'm hardcore off it. Ideally, I mean, intraday, I mean, I wouldn't want it to go there, but sometimes you get that spike there, which shouldn't really, because we've already taken out the stops here. I don't see a reason why they should take it any lower now. So So I mean, I wouldn't want it to go here. If it goes below here, then I'm probably wrong, because we've already done the manipulation here. But sometimes you get another stop trade, you know. But yeah. So initially, before price, see, this is how you can tighten your stop losses. So before, on the weekend when I posted the chart, all that hadn't happened. So like here, I said this was the invalidation level. Now that the lower time frame price action has unfolded, come down, taken the stops here. Now I know it shouldn't come down here. So how many stops? That saved me from another 42 ticks. So we'll see. I mean, I think it's decent long here, and yeah. Let's see. I mean, just nice to see how it plays out. Like I said, I'm not really a big gold trader, but I do like this setup. I may take it myself, but let's just see how it goes, even just for studying price action purposes. Okay, so I hope that's clear. Don't want to waffle on too long, but you know how I use the breakers here, and it just comes into play down here once this happens. Then a break, all this price action waited for this one setup, and I think it's gonna be a big ripper. But we'll see how it goes. Okay, so it's good to keep an eye on it, and have a good day.